Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. Today I'm in Garden City Park, Long Island at a St. Vincent de Paul you will not soon forget. It is gorgeous. So let's go thrifting. I just love the window displays at this store. You can tell the people that work here really take so much time and effort to make it actually feel like you're walking into a high-end antique store. The main level is laid out with a lot of furniture and furnishings to make it seem like they're living room vignettes. But the one thing I want to show you right here is the bust of President Kennedy. What they've done is they've printed out an actual listing of a similar bust for $2,500 on eBay, but it's for sale for $2,500. It hasn't sold for that. I found the eBay listing for $2,500 along with several others for sale. Now this doesn't mean they've sold for this amount. This is just they're up for sale. You have to look at sold comps, which will tell you what they actually sold for. I loved this vintage floor lamp. They have some really beautiful chairs and ottoman sets. This one was $248 and it would go down in price should it stay week after week, but I have a feeling this would sell pretty quickly. Then my all-time favorite piece, which I wish I had a home right now because I would have scooped this up in a second. It's an oversized wicker chair or love seat for $268, and I just thought it was in beautiful condition, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I do think some designers must come to this store and buy some really beautifully unique pieces for their clients. When I walked over to the glassware, I noticed this Costa Boda votive candle holder. And I have one of these, but I thought the price, it was $18, so when you look at the sold comps, they're not very good. Also, another Costa Boda tumbler in aqua, which was very pretty. But again, it's $28 and the pricing, again, way too much. You can get them online for a lot less. I loved this beautiful white and blue lamp until I saw the price of $78. No thank you. This is the upstairs, which has more furniture, mostly dressers and bureaus and chest of drawers, and all kinds of bookcases. This set looked like it was from the 1920s or 1930s, and it was in beautiful condition, really pretty. The chest of drawers, the nightstand, the headboard, the mirror, everything for $500. That was a really good deal. Then there was this really cute accent table. It's mahogany and it was marked down to $208. Not a bad price. Back on the main level, I found this tea set. It's 19-piece tea set. It's $498, which is insane. It's Capodimonte, which is Italian. My family calls it Crapodimonte, but whatever. This is actually a pretty set, but I just don't see people spending that kind of money for that. Right next to that was this Roman gladiator and a vintage 60s sculpture. I love book boxes, and this one actually had 3 books: War and Peace, Treasure Island, and Henry VIII. I love this, so I ended up buying this for myself. I walked over to the window displays where there's so much ornate furniture, but then I loved when I saw this vintage 60s light fixture. Now I'm heading downstairs to the general store where there's clothing, dinettes, and a lot of glassware and china sets. glassware, I spot a set of 4 sailboat glasses, which I loved, and then I see they actually have a magic spell on them. Through black of night and foggy gray, a finding spell will show the way. For hidden rock and stormy hell, for that we need our binding spell. For $1 each, I'll get them. This canister set was marked down to $150, but still too much. I would not buy it. I thought these Pyrex mixing bowls were beautiful, but for $18 for this one and $28 for the other one, those prices are insane. They also had a lot of vintage Corningware pieces, and of course a map of Long Island, and above that, a pretty large marlin, I think that is. Back in the 80s, I think we had a few of these pieces from Pfaltzgraff, but it's marked down 75% off $356. At $89, it's still ugly. There were so many china sets down here. It was like being in Macy's cellar. I did love this set. It looked like dandelions on it. So pretty and simple, but it was a lot of money. And definitely, I don't think a lot of people are spending this kind of money for china sets anymore. This was $898 with 75% off. And this was a Czechoslovakian tea set or dessert set, but also really expensive at $698. But there is an additional 75% off. Now let's check out some of my recent eBay sales. I bought this about 8 years ago at the BCBG company store for $25 for myself, but I sold it for $45. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.